Does my hair look
It is recording.
What up? Hi.
This is Rachel, Caitlin, and Madison. Probably the best one here. I think I did Zoom. Oh.
Yes. Yeah.
Anyway,
So Catherine's not here.
but they,
filling in.
her,
We're gonna interview each other.
her, squish, 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 squish. Her. I'm talking about her this time. Her.
Which one?
Well, squish, squish. Caitlin. Grody.
You can't even do it. I almost fell back. I was like.
Okay, but her and Catherine are the ones that made up the owling thing, and then I posted it on Tumblr. But yeah. Okay, wait. I'm gonna get back here. Ready? Smile.
They did that to me before, so I'll be like. My legs are down.
Okay, no, but seriously, I wanted to do something. No, you guys.
No, Madison, stop. Stop, because we don't want to break any more chairs. We already broke a bunch of chairs. No, no more. Go back.
Ow, no.
So, yeah. Hi. Bonjour. Hola. Mademoiselle. Hola. What does that mean?
That's so stupid.
I don't know what it means.
I want some ice cream.
Think about our viewers.
Yeah, like all 80 viewers.
You guys should tell your friends about
us.
family and pets to watch
About
us.
pets? Stupid.
Including goldfish. Okay, maybe not pets, but subscribe, please, because we only have one, I think.
Only JJ.
Yeah.
Maybe I should tell people on that secret website.
You already said it. Yeah.
I said Tom.
Tom. Yeah, our friend Tom. He's not very nice anymore.
And he's not really.
My hair's really messy. What shall we talk about?
Oh, I caught it. Look at that. Look at that seal.
This is what we're talking about. So, yeah, Madison's going to ask us a bunch of questions.
Okay, how do you feel? Awkward.
I feel...
No, I didn't finish the question. How do you feel about 9th grade starting?
Happy, excited, nervous. You got some, like, grass on your toe.
Caitlin's going to get beat up. Rachel's going to get jumped. And I'm just going to be the one in charge of it all.
I don't know what I think.
We only got 1 minute left to record, so think of something. Wait, I'm going to stop.